Welcome to Siledge Academy. In this video, we'll be talking about fractions. All you need to understand about fractions. Okay. So numbers like 1/2, 3/5, 7/15, and so on are called fractions. So these fractions have different types. Okay, a fraction is where you have two numbers separated, one at the top and one at the bottom. That's what the fraction is. I've done a video where I introduced the whole concept of fractions. You might want to go and check that out in my channel. Fractions have two parts: the number at the top and the number below. So I'll be using 3/5. So I have 3/5. The number on top is what we call the numerator. While the number below is what we call the denominator. Very simple. This is what we'll be using as we proceed, as we move further in this video. The number on top, we won't be calling the number on top, we call it the numerator, while the number below will be called the denominator. Now let's proceed to the different types of fractions we have. Let's look at the types of fractions we have. So numbers like 2/3, 4/9, and 11/15 are called proper fractions. Proper fractions are fractions that the numerator is smaller than the denominator and the denominator is bigger than the numerator. So just like you seeing a 15 years old child carrying an 11 years old child, it looks normal, right? So it is proper, it's a proper thing to do. That's what a proper fraction is. So fractions like these are called proper fractions. The other type of fraction we have is when the reverse is the case, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So you have 9/4, you have 14/5, you have 22/7. These are improper fractions. Imagine a 7 years old child carrying a 22 years old child. It's abnormal, it's improper. So that's why fractions like these are called improper fractions. So the third type of fraction we have is what we refer to as mixed number. So that's a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So you have a whole number, 2/3. You have a whole number, 4/7. You have 12 whole number, 3/8. So these are mixed numbers. Then these are improper fractions. And these are proper fractions. Why these are very important is because there are some problems that after solving your answer, in fact mathematically, after solving your answer is not supposed to be an improper fraction. You must convert it to a mixed number, but if it's an improper fraction, you can leave it. So that's why mastering this is a necessity. Now let's learn how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions and improper fractions back to mixed number. Proper fraction doesn't have a problem. Let's go. So for example, you have 9/4. 9/4, what type of fraction is 9/4? You can guess. 9/4 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. How do we do that? We divide 9 by 4. That's 9 divided by 4. We divide the 9 by 4. Obviously 9 cannot be divided by 4 without a remainder. So you write out the answer, then you write the remainder as the numerator, and 4 will still remain the denominator. Let's go. So let me show you how to do simple division. 4 is the divisor. It's going to be outside, while 9, being a dividend, will be inside. 4 divided by 9 will give us 2. Remainder 1, but we won't write the remainder for now. It will still show up as we go further. 2 times 4 will give you 8. You have 8. 9, so you subtract. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. So this is where we stop. The number up here is our whole number, while this 1 is the remainder. Okay, will be the numerator in our fraction. What do I mean? So 4 divided by so you have your 2 up here, you have 2 whole number, so this is equal to 2 whole number. This 2 become the whole number, 2 whole number, 1 over 4. So therefore we say 9 over 4 is equal to 2 number, is equal to 2 number 1 over 4. This is our final answer. We succeeded in converting 9 over 4 into a mixed number, which is 2 number 1 over 4. And let's proceed. Let's try other one. So if we have 18 over 7. You can pause the video and try this on your own. That's the best way to go about it. Then you see what you can do by yourself. Now let's go. 18 divided by 7 will give you 2. Remainder 4. So remainder 4 over 7. This is your final answer. We succeeded in converting 18 over 7 to a mixed number, which is 2 number 7 over 4. Then we also have 11 over 3. 11 over 3, you have 11 divided by 3 will give you 3. 3 whole number, remainder 2. 2 over 3. So this is our final answer. So this is how you convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now let's learn how to convert a mixed number back to an improper fraction, because there are some problems that before you solve them, you need to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction before you can proceed. So let's learn how to do that. Let's convert all these numbers we've converted from improper fraction to mixed number. Let's convert them back to an improper fraction. We have the first one, 2 number 1 over 4. How do you convert this back to an improper fraction? You have to multiply the whole number by the denominator, then you add the numerator to whatever you get. So you multiply the whole number by the denominator, whatever you get, you add it to the numerator. This is what we mean here. 2 times 4 will give us 8. 8 plus 1 will give us 9. You have 9 over 4. From 2 number 1 over 4 back to 9 over 4. The next one, you can always pause. Remember, you can always pause the video and try it out. You have 2 number 4 over 7. Convert it back to a mixed number. Remember, you can always pause the video and try it out. 7 times 2 will give you 14. 14 plus 4 will give you 18. So you have 18 over 7. The last one, you have 3 whole number 2 over 3 is equal to 3 times 3 will give you 9. 9 plus 2 will give you 11. It has 11 over 3. Very, very light and simple. Now, let's talk about fractions in lowest terms. In maths, you don't just leave your answers if it can be further broken down. What do I mean? For example, if you have numbers like 8 over 16, 8 over 16 can be further broken down into smaller terms. There's a number that can divide. So how do you break a number down to its lowest term? You divide the numerator and the denominator by a particular whole number. There's a number that can divide 8 and 16. The first number so in order to try that, start with the least number, the lowest number, before you start going up. The number that can divide 8 and 16 here is 2. start from the lowest. 2 in 8, 2 divided by 8 will give us 4. 2 divided by 16 will give us 8. So now you have 4 over 8. 2 can still go. 2 in 4 will give us 2. While 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Let's go. You have 2 over 4. The last number that can divide 2 and 4 here is 2. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. So this is now equal to 1 over 2. Now we succeeded in breaking 8 over 16 down to its lowest term, which is 1 over 2. You don't leave your answer in 8 over 16. Don't leave your answer in that form. Now you can simply divide 8 and 16 by a very big number without going through all this stress. And there's a number that can divide 8 and 16 and you will get the lowest term. That number is 8. 8 can divide 8 and 16. 8 can divide itself and 16. So when you have 8 can divide itself and 16, 8 divided by 8 will give you 1. 8 divided by 16 will give you 2. Therefore, 8 over 16 is equal to 1 over 2. We succeeded in breaking it down to its lowest term. Let's try another example. So you have 22 over 44. 22 over 44. You can decide to break this down with 2 in case you don't know the number that can divide 22 and 24. There's a number that can divide 22 and 24 and you just get the lowest term. But if you don't know that, you can just start with 2. Or if 2 cannot go, you start with 3. Then if 3 cannot go, you just start going up with prime numbers. We have 22 over 44. 2 can go in 22 to give you 11. 2 can go in 44 to give you 22. Then you have 11 over 22. And then 11 can go in 11 and 22. 11 divided by 11, you get 1. 11 divided by 22. 22 divided by 11, you get 2. So this is also 1 over 2. You can easily say 22 divided by over 44 is equal to, you just look for a number that can divide 22 and 44. 22 can do that. 22 divided by 22 will give you 1. 44 divided by 22 will give you 2. So this is equal to 1 over 2. That's very, very simple. You don't need to go through all this process. Then lastly, we have 45. 45 divided by 135. This is very simple. You look for a number that can divide 45 and 135, and that number, any number where you have 5 as the last number, can be divided by 5. In fact, 5 is the best number that can divide that number. So 45 divided by 135, let's go. 5 in 45 will give us 9. 5 in 135 will give us 27. So you have 9 over 27. There's a number that can divide 9 and 27. You know what the other number is? Let's go. 3 can go. 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. 9 divided by 27. 27 divided by 9, sorry. 27 divided by 3 will give you 9. So you have 3 over 9. There's a number that can also divide 3 and 9. The number is 3. 3 can divide itself and can divide 9. 3 divided by 3 will give you 1. 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. So you have 1 over 3. Now this is our final answer. It's very simple. We can give you some numbers for you to try out. So you can try this out on your own. Convert to mixed numbers. You try them out. After trying them out, you write your answer in the comment section. Now, this is my plea to you. After watching this video, if it really helps you, if it's really impactful to you, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and also share it to your friends or people you feel that might find this video really helpful. You can also check my other videos on addition and subtraction of fraction that will be attached to this video. See you in the next video. Bye.